So you're welcome to another video. It's been a while. I hope you're doing well. And today I have an exponential typical equation where we are told to find the value of x in 7 raised to x plus 7 raised to x is equals to 140. So I'm going to take you through step by step up to the final solution until we verify again. So if you're watching us for the first time, kindly remember to subscribe, like, share, comment. Turn your notification on so that in case I drop a bombshell, then you're the first to view. So let us dive into the question. So on the solution part, I know that 7 raised to x plus 7 raised to x, that is just twice. There are 2, so I'm going to call them 2 into 7 raised to x is equals to 140. Well, from that particular point, I'm going to divide all through by 2 so that I remain with 7 raised to x is equals to 70. Still I have an exponent. So for me to remove this exponential power of x, then I'm going to introduce logarithms on both sides of my equation so that 7 log 7 raised to x is equals to the log of 70. I've just introduced it so that I'm going to use the log of a raised to n. So this is going to be written as n to the log of a, since the power gonna come here. So writing this equation, then I'm gonna have x to the log of 7 is equals to the log of 70. So the power has come down. Well, at this stage, I'm gonna divide all through by the log of 7. So that when I cancel log 7 to the log of 7, on my left hand side, I remain with x is equals to the log of 70 divided by the log of 7. It looks nice. At least you're almost coming to an appropriate, appealing solution. So at this particular point, I'm going to write 70 in terms of its factors, and I know that 70 can be written as 7 multiplied by 10. So I'm going to introduce this and replace it with 70 so that my equation now going to change to x is equals to the log of 10 multiplied by 7 divided by the log of 7. Well, you also need to recall that if you have the log of a multiplied by b, then this can be simply be written as log of a plus the log of b. So well, I'm going to apply this here. So now x is equals to the log of 10 plus the log of 7. Then I'm going to divide all through by the log of 7 over the log of 7. So guys, I've just copied it here. So I'm going to simplify it as now x is equals to the log of 10 divided by the log of 7, like that, plus of course log 7 divided by log 7 just cancels and I remain with 1. So let's dive into verification. Let us verify if indeed our x is equals to log 10 over log 7 plus 1. Of course, this can be simplified as x now is equals to, using the log of a over the log of b, this can be written as the log of a base b, since we are dividing them. Then it means that my now value of x becomes the log of 10 base 7 plus 1 as the accurate final answer for the exponential equation. So we continue by verification. Remember, my equation was 7 raised to x plus 7 raised to x was giving me 140. So wherever we have the value of x, I'm going to place log 10 base 7 plus 1. I know 7 raised to x plus 7 raised to x was twice 7 raised to x. So where there is x, I'm going to replace it by log 10 base 7 plus 1. So twice, in bracket, 7 raised to the log of 10 base 7 plus 1. Of course, should give me 140. Well, let me take this opportunity to remind you to subscribe, guys. Hit the like button. Leave a comment with an alternative approach. And then it's gonna be nice. So on my left hand side, since I'm adding the powers, I'm gonna separate them by 7 raised to log of 10 base 7. So as I separate, I'm gonna multiply.